name is Ebi Ayala from Nigeria. A few months ago, my Obi got this hair for me from Michael at K Hair, and I just fixed it on a wig some weeks back, and trust me, everyone has been asking me where did I get my hair from. Here it is. This is just 3 bundles and a closure. Can you see how very full and coily it is? It runs through your hand like that, very easy to comb, and then your curls bounces back. Well, I recommend Michael from Care to you. Trust me, if you need a very lush hair like I have one, full hair, I recommend Michael from K Hair to you. Michael is your surest plug from K Hair. Thank you.